Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents to 14 cents. Dogecoin cost could reach $1 soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In this Dogecoin cost forecast 2023, we will examine the value examples of Doge by utilizing exact merchant cordial specialized examination markers and anticipate the future development of the digital money. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a shared and open-source digital money. Not at all like Bitcoin. Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement component that depends on the script calculation. This gives less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to handle a block though. In Dogecoin, the block time is 1 minute. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla President Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his constant help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. Dogecoin positions 8th based on coin market cap and conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time span. In the above graph, Dogecoin spread out a level channel example, even channel otherwise called the sideways pattern. By and large, the even channel is shaped during the cost solidification. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run evenly equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in solidification. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Dogecoin was recorded at 7 cents. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the opposition levels of 8 cents, 10 cents, and 16 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Doge might tumble to the help of 6 cents. Dogecoin opposition and backing levels. The outline given beneath explains the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin in 2023. From the above graph, we can break down and distinguish the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin for 2023. According to the above examination, on the off chance that Dogecoin's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its opposition level of 14 cents. On the other hand, in the event that Dogecoin's bears overwhelm the pattern, the cost of Doge could plunge to 4 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength record of Dogecoin are displayed in the diagram underneath. The specialized examination pointer relative volume is utilized to gauge the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is normally determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predetermined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it helps brokers in recognizing uncommon exchanging action and changes market feeling. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Dogecoin was found underneath the end line. Consequently, it means a frail volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy pointer is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout the course of recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upturn, and whenever laid beneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Prominently, in the above graph, the Doge cost lies under 50 MAMA, demonstrating its downtrend. Thus, Doge is in a negative state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength file. Essentially, this examination pointer assists merchants with deciding the strength and force of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Thus, the readings over 70 demonstrate an overbought state, and under 30 show an oversold state. Fundamentally, dealers frequently utilize the RSI to recognize potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's heading. For example, assuming a resource is in an upturn and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might recommend that the resource is expected for a pullback or remedy. On the other hand, in the event that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might propose an expected inversion. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of Doge is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of Doge likewise increments or diminishes separately. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation markers and pattern designs. Let us foresee the cost of Dogecoin somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024 on the off chance that bulls rule the value force and pattern designs. Dogecoin could effectively test and outperform its obstruction levels to hit $1.50 by 2024. Dogecoin Cost Expectation 2025 The huge overhauls in the Dogecoin biological system could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Dogecoin cost to reach $2 by 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026 If Dogecoin effectively tests its significant opposition levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then, at that point, it would energize to hit $2.50. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027 If Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and stands as a superior venture choice on the lookout, then Doge would energize to hit $2.90. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028 If Dogecoin holds a positive market opinion in the midst of the exceptionally unstable crypto market by driving critical cost rallies, then, at that point, Doge would hit $3.50 by 2028. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029 On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, then, at that point, the crypto would observe significant spikes. Subsequently, Doge could hit $3.70 by 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030 By 2030, the Doge cost could revitalize to $4 on the off chance that the pattern energy adjusts for Dogecoin. Moreover, Doge would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out venture with exceptionally productive return for capital invested. And if Dogecoin secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be ideal for the digital money. Taking everything into account, the bullish Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 14 cents. Relatively, the negative Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. On the off chance that there is a positive rise in the market force and financial backers feeling, then, at that point, Dogecoin could hit $1. Moreover, with future redesigns and progressions in the Dogecoin environment, Doge could outperform its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents and mark its new ATH. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin Network was a fork of Litecoin. 2. Where might you at any point purchase Dogecoin? Dealers can exchange Dogecoin on the accompanying digital currency trades like Binance, CoinW, Deepcoin, OKX, and Bitrue. 3. Will Dogecoin record another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Dogecoin stage, Dogecoin has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? Dogecoin hit its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents on May 8, 2021. 5. What is the least cost of Dogecoin? As per CoinMarketCap, Doge hit its unsurpassed low of